Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at your home. So today in this video we are going to start the new chapter number 6, skeletal system. Now in this system we already know that our body is there, and in that body different types of organ systems are there, and that organ systems are having various number of organs associated with them which help that particular organ system to work. For example, like in digestive system we are having mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, etc., which performs the process of digestion. So all together these organs forms the digestive system. So like that we are having some major organ systems. So here we are going to just see once that what are these major organ systems and what are their function. The first is digestive system. It breaks down the food into smaller and simpler form which can be utilized by the body. Respiratory system. It helps oxygen to the it supplies oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide from the body. Circulatory system. It transports food, chemicals and gases, and it also helps to remove the waste materials or waste matter from the body, right? Next system, nervous system. This system we have already studied, right? So it helps us to feel changes around us and controls different body functions. Excretory system. It removes undesirable waste matter from the body. Whatever waste are produced, that is removed by this system. Reproductive system. It helps to produce babies. Endocrine system. It helps to control and coordinate body functions which help with the help of the chemicals. Skeletal system. It gives a shape and support to the body and helps in movement. Muscular system. It also gives shape to the body and helps in the movement and in doing physical work, right? So in this chapter we are going to discuss these two last systems, that is the skeletal system and the muscular system. These two systems, they work together closely to make the movement possible, right? So let us see about this two systems. The first we are going to discuss about skeletal system. The framework of the body in our body the framework of the bones in our body is called the skeleton, and it is covered with the flesh and the skin. The skeleton gives a shape and support to the body. So this is the first function of the skeleton. Second, it protects our internal organs. For example, like skull protects the brain, rib cage protects the heart and lungs, etc. An adult human has 206 bones of different shapes and size in the body, like the bones in the palm, foot, toe. These all are so small in size. Bones in leg and arms, they are long. Rib bones are round, and few bones are there in the head which are flat. The bones are hard from outside but spongy from inside. This makes the bones both lightweight and strong. Some bones which are hollow have a soft fatty substance inside them called marrow. So some of the bones are there which are hollow from the inside, but it is filled with soft and fatty substance called marrow, and this marrow produces the new blood cells, right? Now there are here two blood cells they have discussed about, that is the red blood cells, we call it as the RBC, and its function is to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. And the second is white blood cell. Its function, it is also known as WBC, and it fights against infections. Bones also stores mineral, and it also helps in movement, as we have already seen above, right? So there are different functions of the skeletal system, or you can say skeleton. Now next is parts of the skeleton. So the human bones can be put into following four main groups, or you can say that four main parts of the skeletal system are there: skull bones, backbone, rib cage, and limb bones and girdles. Now, skull bone. The normal adult human skull is made up of 22 bones. So this human adult skull is made up of 22 bones, and out of these 22 bones, 8 flat bones are there which fuses to form the brain case. Brain case means in which the brain is there, right? They protect the brain. The other 14 bones support the face. So the face, this whole face part is supported by 14 bones. The lower jaw is the only movable bone in the skull, and it helps us to eat and talk. The jaw bones bear the teeth, but remember that these teeth are not the bones, right? So we will continue in the next video.